Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to start pull-ups for beginners. Grab a pull-up bar with your hand slightly wider than shoulder width. Use an overhand grip, palms facing away from you. Avoid underhand grips, those are for chin-ups. Now let your body hang from the bar with your arms fully extended. Cross your legs at the ankles to keep them from touching the floor and engage your core to stabilize your body. Now squeeze your shoulder blades together and pull yourself upward slowly until your chin is above the bar. Now keep your body controlled and avoid swinging. Now hold your chin above the bar for a second or two, and this will increase muscle engagement. Slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position and avoid dropping. Control is key for maximum benefit. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.